Hanapin natin yung standard form, leading coefficient, degree, leading term, at constant term ng 2x squared plus x plus 4x cubed minus 3. Okay, so una, hanapin mo natin yung standard form. Yung standard form, dapat, kung ano yung mas mataas yung exponent, yung mauuna. So, dito, alin yung pinakamataas yung exponent? 3. So, siya yung mauuna. 4x cubed. Kung ano yung sign, yun din. Then, next, anong susunod sa 3? 2. So, anong sign niya? Positive. So, that is positive 2x square. Then, next, itong walang exponent, or that is 1, exponent niya ay 1, plus x, then yung walang variable, negative 3. Leading coefficient. Ang leading coefficient ay yung may pinakamataas na exponent. So, yung 4x cubed. 4x raised to 3. And degree, kung anong degree ng highest. So, that's 3. Anong leading term natin? Itong leading coefficient is 4x cubed, kaya ang leading term ay 4. Constant term. Ito yung walang kasamang variable. So, that is negative 3. So, divide natin yung 2x squared plus 4x cubed minus 3 divided by x plus 2. So, una, gawin mo natin standard form ito. So, yan ay 4x cubed plus 2x squared plus x minus 3. Yan. So, divided by x plus 2. So, unahin natin yung long division. So, 4x cube, 4x raised to 3, plus 2x square, 2x raised to 2, plus x minus 3, divided by x plus 2. Okay, first, so 4x cube, divide natin sa x. So, 4x cube divided by x, yan ay 4x square. Saan natin siya ilalagay? Sa tapat ng 2x square kasi nga x square din. Sa kapareho niya. So, 4x square. Itapat nyo siya sa may kapareho niya ng exponent. So, 4x square times x, that is 4x raised to 3. And 4x square times 2, yan ay 4 times 2, 8. So, 8x square. Okay, so subtract natin to. So, 4x cube minus 4x cube. So, kakancel na natin to. Then, 2x square minus 8x square. That is 2 minus 8. So, negative 6. Then, copy yung x square. Bring down positive x. Negative 6x square divided by x. That is negative 6 divided by 1. So, negative 6. Then, x square divided by x. So, mabawasan natin yung exponent niya. So, that is x na lang. Negative 6x times x. That is negative 6x square. Then, negative 6x times 2. And then, negative 6 times 2, 12x. Okay, then subtract natin din to. So, negative 6x square minus negative 6x square. So, 0 na yan. So, cancel na natin yan. X plus 12, double negative. So, yan ay magiging 13x. And then, bring down negative 3. Okay, so 13x divided by x. So, that is positive 13. 13 times x. Yan ay 13x. And 13 times 2, that is positive 26. Then, subtract natin. So, to 13x tapos 13x. So, cancel na yan. And then, negative 3 minus 26, negative 29. So, 2x square plus x plus 4x cube minus 3 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 4x square minus 6x plus 13 remainder negative 29. So, yung naiwan sa baba, yun yung remainder niya. Okay, gawin naman natin yung synthetic division. Ang synthetic division ay shortcut nitong long division. So, una, kunin natin yung divisor natin na x plus 2. And then, itong x plus 2 na to, equate natin sa 0. So, x, yung positive 2, lipat natin, magiging negative 2. So, kunin natin yung negative 2. So, yung symbol ng division, pabaliktad na. And then, kunin natin yung mga terms dito sa dividend. So, 4x cubed, so we have 4. 2x squared, 2. X, so that is 1. And negative 3 na yan. So, unang gagawin natin, yung 4, yung unang term, ibaba natin. So, bring down 4. And then, 4 times negative 2, that is negative 8. Then, dito, mag-add tayo. So, kanina, sa long division, nag-subtract tayo. Dito sa synthetic, mag-add tayo. So, 2 plus negative 8, that is negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 2, that is positive 12. So, 1 plus 12, that is positive 13. Then, 13 times negative 2, that is negative 26. Then, negative 3 plus negative 26, that is negative 29. Itong last na to, ito yung remainder natin. Okay, so gawin natin. So, 4. Lagay natin yung mga variables. X. So, ano kaya yung exponent nito? 4x cubed divided by x. That is 4x squared. So, 4x squared to. Minus 6x plus 13. Remainder negative 29. So, pareho ba tayo nakuha sa synthetic at sa long division? So, pareho lang din naman. So, that's it. So ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito at sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayo natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.